In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ExpressVPN on Windows 10. Using a VPN on your Windows 10 PC helps protect both incoming and outgoing internet traffic by sending your data through an encrypted tunnel. That means your internet provider, network administrators, and others on the same network have a much harder time seeing what you're doing online. In this walkthrough, we'll go from downloading the app all the way to checking that your connection is properly protected. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Log into your account, and if you're asked to complete two-factor authentication, enter the temporary verification code sent to your email, then continue. Once you reach your account dashboard, click Download for Windows to save the installer to your computer. On that same page, find the activation code and copy it because you'll need it in a moment. Next, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the ExpressVPN installer file to launch it. If Windows shows a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. The installer will then set up the application and its required network adapter components. Give it a minute to finish. When installation is complete, the ExpressVPN app should open automatically. On the first screen, choose Sign In with activation code. Paste the activation code you copied earlier into the text box, then click Sign In. After that, you'll be asked to choose a few preferences, including whether ExpressVPN should start when Windows starts and whether you want to share anonymous diagnostics. Select the options you prefer to finish setup. Before connecting, it's a good idea to review the advanced settings. Open the menu in the upper left corner of the app and choose Options. In the General tab, make sure the setting that stops all internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly is enabled. This is the kill switch, and it helps prevent your real IP address from leaking if the connection drops. You can also set up split tunneling if you want certain apps to use the VPN while others use your normal internet connection. If you need that, enable the per app option. Open its settings, choose the apps you want, and save. Now return to the main dashboard. If you're happy with the suggested smart location, you can use that, or click the location selector to browse other servers. You can look through recommended options or explore all locations by region and country. Once you've picked a server, click the large power button in the center of the app. After a moment, you should see the app show connected with a green status indicator. Finally, verify that everything is working correctly. Leave ExpressVPN connected, close your current browser windows, and open a fresh private or incognito window. Visit ExpressVPN's IP check page and confirm that the page shows a secured or protected status. Also check that the displayed IP address and location match the